Andito tayo sa Barangay San Juan, Taytay, Rizal. Isa siya sa mga naapektuhan ng bagyong Ondoy noong September 26, 2009. Hanggang ngayon, itong area na to, baha pa rin siya. Makikita natin, karamihan ng mga tao dito, yung mga bahay nila lubog pa sa baha hanggang ngayon. Pang-2 buwan ngayon at nagdi-distribute tayo ng relief goods kasi kasama karamihan pa rin sa kanila, hindi pa rin nakakabalik doon sa dati nilang pinagkakakitaan.
So we're here in Damayan, Taytay, Rizal, observing the distribution of relief goods. It's very well organized. Clearly, the local organization is critical to making this possible. People have their names listed, their family members listed. It's all checked against master list. And the chances that someone walks away with something that is not intended for them here is rather slim. So it's a fantastic thing to observe. I've witnessed in other places distributions that don't deserve the name distribution. Very chaotic and very painful to watch. This is a delight to see how well organized it is and that people indeed get what is due theirs. It's also based on a needs assessment, so people who still have a lot of resources don't get anything. This is really for people who haven't got the basics. Even we're now speaking almost 2 months after the actual floods. Situations are still quite difficult.
We are here in Taytay, Rizal now doing our relief operations for Typhoon Ondoy. The operations is going very smoothly and quite organized. It makes a lot of sense to work with the people's organization who did a lot of the groundwork, who did a lot of the validation, who did a lot of the organizing so that the operations run smoothly. They have put in place checks. They have put in place a system where people can go to the officers and raise concerns about the operations, and that is all in accordance and in compliance with humanitarian accountability principles. This is one operations that we find is a success because of very close coordination and working hand in hand in cooperation with the people's organization that exists and operates in this area.